everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and today we are on, I believe we were on day 19 of the Masquerade advent calendar. So what have we got today? So we've got little snowman playing today in a little black bag. I've still not got no ideas what I'm going to use these bags for, but I'm sure they'll come in handy. So shall we see what we've got today? Ooh. Let's see. Ooh. That's nice, isn't it? It's all different shades of jewel greens, I would say. Really, really nice. So let's see what we got yesterday, which was the 18th. Oh, they all look nice together, don't they? They look very nice together. You can see the green is introduced into that one. And that, I think they will look pretty spectacular together. So I'm really, really liking them, guys. So what colour do you think we're going to get tomorrow? What colour do you think? Woo! So I'm keeping them in the bag so I don't get them mixed up, because I don't want to do that, do I? So yeah, guys, so that's the colour for today. Really nice, and again it's got the gold stellina in it. And yeah, so we've only got 5 more days to go. Hold on, 5 more days and then Christmas Day. Woo-hoo! So let us see how I wonder what we'll get tomorrow. I think we're going to be moving on to the blues, I would imagine. But we've had blues, haven't we? Well, we've had turquoises. We've not had none of the pale blues. And so it's going to be interesting to see what colour we get tomorrow and for the rest of the advent. On another note, I just want to say thank you to everybody for all your well wishes for Rick. He is home, and which I'm so relieved about. He didn't get home till about 6:30. Was it between 6:15 and 6:30 last night? So it was really nice to have him home, so we were able to have a meal together. And today being Sunday, I had a bit of a meltdown. But I think that was I was just so relieved that he's home and that I didn't realise how stressed I was over him being in hospital. But I'm okay. I'm having a bit of problem with my computer. It's not connecting to the internet, but Rick's computer's connected to the internet, so I don't know what's wrong with mine. I'm going to have to find out. But other than that, I want to thank you all so much for your support, and I'm looking forward to seeing what Advent is tomorrow and what the colour's going to be. So I'm going to love you and leave you. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Until next time, not next time, until tomorrow. Bye, guys.